Hey, good morning, Trip NT. Here's the problem. Every once in a while, the food police come in here and they check everything to make sure we're doing it right. And the last time they came in, they dipped our sanitizing solution, which is something they always do. And what happened was, they took these little dips and they dipped it in there and they found out that it was way too strong. So, the solution, it can't be too strong or too weak in order to do its job. So we went back and we started looking at why it wasn't working. And what we found out was that bleach actually comes in about 4 different types of concentrations. And what likely happened was the bleach that we originally got was a weaker concentration and required more. And the bleach we use now is stronger and requires less. So the improvement actually is that we identified the bleach that we're going to use, we changed the instructions to put the amount in, and now if you follow these instructions, which are super simple, we will pass the test every time and the food will be safe. Now the bigger lesson here is the card was changed, which is great, and it also now indicates exactly which bleach to get. What can happen is it can be really confusing, because if you're just going to buy a bleach, it all looks the same. That actually applies for everything in the shop. The right screw, the right strength of magnet. These are all things that might have been tested in the past and then put into the system and it works. So it's always good to make sure the card is right, trust the system, and we'll always get the result that we're expecting. Have a good day.